Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Shinchan Chaitu. இன்னைக்கு எங்களோட ஸ்கூல்ல ஆன்லைன் அசெம்பிளி, அதனால நான் பிரேயர் சாங் பாட போறேன். அதை பத்தி தான் இந்த வீடியோலயும் நீங்க பார்க்க போறீங்க. சரி வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம்.
Sing showers of blessing to invoke God's blessing, song by Ice.
Morning to all. My name is Chaitna from 4th class. I am going to sing Light a Candle for Peace. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love. Light a candle that shines all away around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love. Light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Sing peace around the world. 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 Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love. Light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Thank you.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to